this is Shiny Side here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have not one, not two, but 3 Sephora Play unboxings because I still haven't filmed anything for March or April and I just received May's. So let's start off with March since that's the oldest one. The bag here is really cute. It says beauty is my spirit animal in tie-dye. Let's go ahead and dump out the products since this is kind of old news. I normally pull them out one by one, but starting off, we've got the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. Looks like that. Really tiny. This is definitely a primer. The rest of it is written not in my language. So I'm not super excited about it, especially considering how tiny it is since it's a face product. This is appropriate for this time of year. This is the Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50. That's pretty cool. Sounds like a paint can. I'm excited to try that out. Then we've got the Korres, or Kors, I think it's Korres, Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all skin types. This is a really good sample size, and I know this is a pricey brand. It's a cleanser. Am I wowed by it? No. Am I super duper excited to buy it? No, but I am excited to try a luxury brand with at least a good amount of product. We have a repeat offender in this box. It is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Looks like that. This is something that's supposed to be a leave-in conditioner that detangles and boosts hydration. I do have dry hair, but since this is a repeat offender, I am going to go ahead and put this in my duplicate pile, which is for a future giveaway. We did get a nourishing mask called Soul Food by Amika in a little foil packet. Now this is actually a pretty generous foil packet. So I'm excited to try it. I'm always interested in trying hair products. I just wish that there wasn't 2 of them in this box. And then the Piece de Resistance, the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, comes in a little pack like that. It is in black, which is awesome, and this is a really thin one. I know they did just launch a new one that's super thin, but this is the traditional Stay All Day, so excited to try that out. Moving along, we're going to go to the April Sephora Play. Bag looks like that, says make it snappy. Now I do have to say something before I get in here. You will get email updates from Sephora about your Sephora Play, and usually they have a sneak peek or you can vote and just be involved in their Sephora online community for it. I clicked on the email that said seeing a sneak peek of it and it literally showed me everything that's in my box. So that's another reason I didn't open my April one, because I knew what was in here already, but I'll pretend to be excited. Starting off, we've got the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I've heard great things about this. They did go ahead and give it to us in a pink color. It is in the shade SPL. I do want to go ahead and swatch this just because it looks really crazy right here, just to see how pigmented that it is. I mean, there's a lot of microfine glitter in there. I don't feel it on my hand, but I would have preferred a nude. Okay, we've got some Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner. Now, I already have these full size, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in my giveaway pile as well. This really does make your hair feel clean for longer, and I got mine. Living Proof is usually in like Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, so I didn't pay full price for them. I basically bought them at half off each, so I only ended up paying 50% of what they normally are, which I think is like $30. But this is really good, but it's going in my giveaway pile. The next thing we have is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. So, okay. I thought that this was skincare, but it sounds like it is a mattifying primer. That'll definitely be good coming into the warmer months. That way I can wear more dewy foundations, but have it last a little bit longer. Good amount in here. There is 0.25 fluid ounces. This is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Exfoliating Clay Mask, just a little mini size. It is 0.17 fluid ounces. If you watch my most recent Sephora haul video, I hauled it when it was a weekly wow. So again, this is a duplicate, so it's going in my giveaway pile, but I don't know if you can really even tell in here. It is so small. This is 0.17 fluid ounces. Do you see all the air up there? Like, how are you gonna use that on your whole face? I don't know. I feel like that would just be enough maybe to do someone's nose, but... Another repeat offender. This is the Sephora Rouge Cream in the red. I'm very, very certain that I already have this exact color, so this is going in the giveaway pile. Wow, if you've had this for a little while, this kind of gets repetitive. Okay, so this is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial. This is 25% AHA and 2% BHA. This is an exfoliating thing that you're supposed to put on for 20 minutes and then rinse afterwards. This kind of made the entire box for me because Drunk Elephant is obviously a very expensive brand. And the packaging looks pretty cute. You do get half of a fluid ounce, so this is about equivalent to the size of a normal eye cream. But this, I think, makes up for the entire box. Alright, moving on to the one for May. I have not looked at anything yet. I do want to go over the card since I did at the beginning. This is the cheat sheet that goes through everything, and you get 50 Beauty Insider points if you go in store and scan it. Looks like they just went for a denim style bag with like almost like shoelaces is what it feels like, and it just says Play by Sephora, Sephora Play. So starting off with the perfume sample that I got, this is the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I believe I got this when I purchased the deluxe, or was it All-Star Sephora Play? The one that was more expensive, I think it was like 20 bucks instead of 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my giveaway pile. Okay, this is the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Spray. It is 1 fluid ounce, and it says it's a pre-styler on damp hair. That's a good amount for a hair sample, so I'm excited to try that out. The Becca, I'm assuming Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. This is something that I have in a full size, so I am going to put this in a giveaway, but holy Toledo, that looks like it's going to break out any second. I did not swatch this, by the way. That's not a very good packaging, and I'm not going to throw that. But it is going to end up in my giveaway pile. Again, the Benefit Professional. Gonna go in my giveaway pile. The Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying Mask. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Glam Glow. I am definitely going to try this out and see if it is as good as that. We received 0.33 fluid ounces. So is the jar completely full? No, but do I think that I'll be able to stretch with a mask brush? Yes. Last but not least, we have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Again, 2 months back we just received the Stila. If I wanted to do a Stila battle between the two, I think I will hold on to this. I have had this before. The only way I wouldn't hang on to this is if I have something that's open already in a mini size, which I don't think that I do. So I'm gonna hold on to this one for now. How I feel like Sephora Play is going. I think I've been a Play subscriber for maybe around a year now. I like it because of products like this, Drunk Elephant, where I don't know where else I can purchase things from. Have I thought about doing a different subscription box? Yes. Purely because they put a lot of cult classics in there, and I think that because they do that, like pretty often, it becomes kind of repetitive. Like I know I have gotten a tattoo liner in it before. I know that I've gotten Benefit Professional before. So do I think that they need to consistently get the new brands to be in the Play box each month? Yes, I do. Do I think it's worth $10 considering you can't get these products at Sephora for $10? Yes, but I guess I'm trying to debate whether I want to continue to do this one or if I want to step up my game and do one where I get full-size products out of it. So that is everything that I received for March, April, and May. I've got to say I'm overall kind of not super happy with Sephora at the moment. I might be going elsewhere, maybe checking into some of those subscription services that have full-size products in them, but I'm not sure. Please give me a thumbs up if you like watching this unboxing video, and comment down below if there's a different subscription service that you'd like for me to check into. Please subscribe if you haven't already and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shynyside on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, and I am Stephanie Shynyside on Facebook and Pinterest. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.